Good morning, guys. So today I want to take you on a journey with me to every single house, every single stop that I make today. I want to show you what it's really like in the day in the life of a handyman. Right now I'm sitting outside my first job. I have a work order / quote. I have to go talk to the customer, confirm a price with them to install something. I'll show you when I get in there. I think it's what is it? A light fixture, I think. So from my first destination to this destination, it took about 18-20 minutes. Here's the specs. This is how long it's taken me. This is my first stop. I have 4 or 5 more stops, 6. I got a bunch more stops to go. So I'll take you on a journey. Let's do it. Hey. That was cool. That was a neat little experience. I forgot to show you the light. I got in there, started working, and totally forgot about the camera. And plus my customer was standing right there, and I think I get a little intimidated lugging a camera around with me. So this is my next stop I gotta take. Let's see how many miles we gotta go. We gotta go 11 miles. It's about a 20-minute drive. Let's do it. Just pulled up at my next job site, and I want to take a moment and just confess to you, I struggle to not live by the opinion of other people. I live by fear of what other people might think of me or perceive of me. And this is a long-term battle that I've been trying to not necessarily battle with it, but grow in healthy boundaries, right? Because of my opinion of what other people think or perceive of me, I try to blend in to what they like, what they dislike, and essentially I'm like a chameleon, where I blend into my surroundings in order to survive the opinions of other people. It's not healthy, because you lose a sense of self, you lose a sense of identity and who you are as a person. A good, healthy relationship with another person requires me to be fully me, 100% genuine, authentic, and have the ability to say what I like, what I dislike, not fearful of what other people think, but allowing them to be responsible for them, allowing them to feel the weight of who you are and let them deal with it. That's their perception of you isn't your problem. They need to change their mind, their thinking on who you are. And maybe if, yeah, anyway. Well, that's a bummer. I got here and then they didn't realize that the customer had canceled. Well, they canceled, but then they never called the company and canceled. Oh well. It's on to my next stop. It's about a 23-minute drive. It's about 18 miles. We're gonna get there. We'll get there. Let's go. Just left my customer and headed to the next place. Guys, this is amazing stuff. It tastes delicious. It's coconut water and pineapple juice. That's it. The ingredients: coconut water, pineapple juice. So good. It's definitely not sponsored, but It's important to stay hydrated. Nutrients in this industry, in this service, super important. I got dehydrated a year ago. Awful feeling. Woke up sick and ill. I had to cancel all my appointments. On to the next go round place. Time to go to the next place. It's time to go to the next place. Guys, I made it to my next stop. I've lost track of what stop this is. Oh, I'm so sorry. I imagine rewatching this, I'll be able to tell, and I'll leave it right. Stop number here. This is number whatever this says. Yay. I gotta read my work order, see what they got going, and I'm gonna show you what it is, and then we'll hop back in the truck and just leave. Drive another X amount of miles to the next place. I heard some dogs. It's really bright out here. So real quick, I just want to show you what I'm looking at. I have to give them a quote, a price estimation of cost. Right up here behind me in the soffit is rotted. Right there, you can see all that. That's really soft and rotted. All right, we're gonna come down these stairs really quickly. All right, well, that was right over there. Right up here, we got another spot right behind that gutter. And then also on the chimney up here, there's a trim board right here, and on the opposite side over there, it's also rotted. Have to give them a quote to fix that. All right, let's walk around the house real quick. I think I found what they were talking about on the work order, where a gutter had fallen. That's what it said. And then right up here behind me, all that right there is rotted. Focus. Boom. All right. Now if I keep walking around the house, there's a couple other spots that are questionable, but nothing that seems to be really rotten. Rot is like a tooth. You wanna get the rot out of the tooth. You wanna get the decay. You wanna get the decay out. Otherwise, it's just gonna cause further damage. So I'm gonna do that, and we'll go to our next stop. All right, friends, that's it. I took some photos, wrote some notes. I'm gonna have to go and email this to the customer, and now it's on to the next place. See where we gotta go. Gotta head up to Wake Forest. It's about 19 miles away. It's a 30-minute drive. Looks like today is just driving. Okay, on to the next place. Let's get some work. Let's get some work. Let's do work that actually pays money. Jesus, help me, help me, help me, help me. All right, it's sunny again out here. Made it to my next to last stop. Realized after this stop I have to go to the post office, but I also have to go to the coffee company and pick up some coffee. Check this tree out, man. It's pretty. Dang, it's pretty. Watch this. I'm gonna see if I can clip something together real quick. Bye bye, house. Bye bye. Bye bye. There goes my customer. Bye-bye. He's got a bunch of wood rot. He's got a bunch of wood rot on some trim boards. Most of it is second story. So this is the kind of thing where I have to go home and think about it and really come up with a good estimation. Because when you're climbing up and down a ladder on a second story replacing trim boards, your time really climbs higher, just like your ladder. Haha. Anyway, I got two more stops. I think 3 more stops. Well, that's a lot of stopping, man. I need to figure out where I'm at. Gotta go pick up some coffee, gotta drop off some coffee, and then I have to go to my garage where I'm going to be finishing up my custom-made DIY sound booth. Woohoo! Alright, my friends, I'll see you in the next clip. I think I should declutter my life. Maybe I should do it later when I'm not driving. Alright, my friends, this is the last stop of the day. I'm at my garage. I think this is stop number 8, might be number 9. I'm building a sound booth. You can see I got some of the components right there. There's a wall, here's a floor right here, some paint, some other supplies. This is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the day. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I'll work probably till dinner and head out. Deuces.